Happiness is a complex and multifaceted emotions that everyone strives for. While it's clear that happiness is essential for a fulfilling life, the path to achieving it can be different for each person. Some people believe that having money and financial stability is the key to happiness, and to some extent, that's true. A stable financial situation can certainly reduce stress and provide opportunities for enjoyment. However, happiness is not just about material wealth. It is also about relationships, experiences, and personal growth. Time, situation, and relationships all play a significant role in shaping our happiness. Some people find happiness in their work, while others find it in their personal relationship or hobbies. Ultimately, happiness is a subjective experience that can vary from person to person. While a good job and financial stability can certainly contribute to happiness, they are not the only factors. Perhaps it is more accurate to say that they can provide a foundation for happiness, but it is up to each individual to cultivate a positive mindset and meaning in life.